Are you someone with long locks who wants to style their hair? Well, this premium product from Dyson might be the product for you. Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Dyson Air Wrap. Now I know I'm not the best guy to give this tutorial, so we do have some little help. Before we get on to learning about this product, let's start by talking about its design. Dyson knows how to deliver premium products, and the case is no different for the Air Wrap. The styler is delivered with a carrying case that looks chic and stylish. The case is well equipped to carry the product and its multiple attachments, aiding in your mobility. Shifting our focus to the product, Dyson Air Wrap holds true to the brand's motto of combining stunning design with the latest technology. The product looks modern, and with an ergonomic design, it's easy to hold as well. You get a lengthy cord on the product which is robust and enables you to move around freely while you style your hair. The controls for the styler are mounted on the wand itself. There are buttons using which you can switch the temperature settings. This also includes a setting with which the Air Wrap throws cold air. Then there is a switch to control the fan speed. There are 3 levels of fan speed on the Dyson Air Wrap, from which you can choose your own accordingly. Then of course there is a power button using which you can power on or off the Dyson Air Wrap. This button also features the cool shot feature, using which the Air Wrap throws a burst of cool air. A major pro of this design is how easily you can switch between the multiple extensions available on board according to the hairstyle you want. Now this is no ordinary hairstyling gadget. This is the Dyson Air Wrap. So let's go through its features. The Dyson Air Wrap's motor enables it all. The hairstyler is powered by Dyson Digital Motor V9. With its 13-blade impeller, the motor spins at up to 110,000 RPM, generating 3.2 kilopascals of power. This power is enough to create the Coanda effect. This enables the machine to attract hair to the surface of the brush. This propels air along with the strands to mimic a blow-dry technique. The Air Wrap also makes sure that it does not affect your hair strength due to excessive heat. This happens by combining the water in your hair with the powerful airflow and controlled heat. As I mentioned before, the Dyson Air Wrap delivers with a number of extensions. So let's go through them one by one. Starting with the pre-styling dryer. This is the one that helps you dry your hair so that you are ready to style them. Round volumizing brush. It directs the air into your hair to give it a body, while the bristles create tension to shape the hair as it dries. Soft smoothing brush. This brush is used to create a smooth blow drying finish with soft ball tips bristles that are designed to be gentle on the scalp. Firm smoothing brush. This extension creates straightener style hair with less frizz and fewer flyaways. 30mm Air Wrap barrels. With these extensions, you can create and set loose curls or waves. This is possible with clockwise and anti-clockwise barrels for symmetrical curves. 40mm Air Wrap barrels. This barrel creates and sets voluminous curls or waves. This is possible with clockwise and anti-clockwise barrels for symmetrical curves. So folks, that was a quick overview of the Dyson Air Wrap, and I hope you found this video helpful.